everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you guys had a blessed Easter. I know I'm a bit late with my videos, but I've been so busy. Just to give you a brief idea, this vlog was shot in the month of March, and I'm gonna be uploading the first part in this because I tried to compile everything in one vlog, and I've tried my very best, but this is going to be the part 1, I guess. So there is Harper. There's a window spinner sword like circle. By the time the flight took off, Harper had a good nap. I always like the window seat because you get to see the beautiful skies and the scenic views, and this was one of the view I found so incredible. Like, look at the mountains, they were beautiful. Not that much. Harper had a bit of a cold. It was out of a sudden, and that's Bergio there. So we took a taxi and we were so tired, like we woke up early in the morning. So this is our room, and so that's Bergio and Harper. And yeah, we had twin bedroom for some reason, I don't know. And yeah, so just a simple standard bedroom, and that's the bathroom there. It had all the amenities like hair dryer and everything, which was nice. Overall, it was good for 2 days. I wouldn't fault it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm fine, and we are currently in France, Lourdes. So we trip sarki long awaited hali. Last time planned keleli last year, but for some reason we couldn't go. We had to cancel our tickets and everything. I was really looking forward to this. I'm at the hotel and fresh sali ani. We are going to have something. It's currently 12:30. We are going to have some lunch. Pearl, Krishma, Ani, Beja is there, and our little Harper. So yeah, the flight was good. Thing went nice and smoothly. Let's see, let's explore outside. Literally, I'm so tired. Ami sarki 2:30 ki tukleli. So how tired is all? Beja is not tired because he slept in the flight. So
night kurpache, yeah.
So he works nights, so he's more used to it. So we had the, but yeah, I'm so tired. Literally, I can't even So Aminga lunch kelo ek pre Filipino restaurant halde. Ani ami land seasonak mas haina hali tekalagon vegetable noodles, Belgian rice and fish gela ani palan chicken gela ani Krishman besti tea gela. So our hotel was walking distance from the sanctuary. Ani inga zai ti oshkun shop sa hali tuka kite oshkurun saibini chi imaz ba hali kont bagiupa, and they had really nice souvenirs as well. So we looked around, and information was only karle falyanche, and we just walked around, and it was so peaceful. Like, you could actually sense the peace. We spent time near the grotto and looked around, and I didn't shoot much here because I wanted to take it all in at that moment, and it was worth it, the wait and every moment we spent there. Now we are heading for dinner. So that's the dinner today. I must say hectic hello this kida sokai amche early in the mornings alele ani yeah, so it was really hectic. 7:30 now. Ki amka sokai begin uton zaye tekalagon ami will call it like early night. Yeah, let's see. So we had dinner at this lovely restaurant. Bejo and Pearl both ordered paellas. One was squid ink and the other one was vermicelli seafood. And Krishma and I had pizza there. So guys, this is our hotel. This is like a sitting area because it's like, you know, very ambient, very lighting bar Konna inga sodda kitata and Rachi shoot kutta. And these are the toilets and the lifts upstairs. And this is what I really liked, like the telephones, but it's like out of service at the moment. So yeah, that is the reception there. And the reception and service no tensions parki bri halamka check-in kota then manager ba meololo manager very polite and very knowledgeable. So we're all learning ek tinchi shop ko shaha. So shop are sogli me or to souvenirs or, you know, any like postcards or anything like that. And then this is the restaurant. It's closed now. Yeah, so and then they've got another like a sitting area, like just to keep your baggage and stuff, I think, this side. And this is our lift. And I have sleeping. I will see you guys tomorrow and I'll show you all more like what we have planned for tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is our second day. Is dusre dis and 11 o'clock actually no mass but amko miss zale kita paus papado laglo ani the weather was really like windy and sodwari bahale ani baby ko mas toni zalele ha teklan teka baher oro na sokai bude ani atmasha okay ha so teklagon amatoitai. So we'll go to the church. Girls are all ready. Sarka hero ka so ani apna vlogging equipment ba vlogging equipment ba hai teje so so it was very cold outside and there's Harper. Her cold progressed overnight and she was very poorly, and that's why we couldn't go for 11 o'clock mass in the morning on that day. We got like hot water in our flask before we headed out, and then on this lovely shop we got the roses to you'll see kita lagonyo roses keilaito. So I got 2 and Krishma got 1. And yeah, and we stopped at this shop to buy some souvenirs and stuff, and we reached at the sanctuary. And yeah, it was beautiful and peaceful and so calm. It's like tu kenna tired ho jao pana ingi. It's kind of like that. You find that kind of, you know, peace I cannot express. So these were the flowers we had brought from the shop. And they pray here, and we prayed here as well. Look at this stunning statue of Our Lady. It feels as though she could step down at any moment and she could join us. So this is the beautiful Grotto of Lourdes, where it's filled with spirituality and history. So this place is very sacred. This is the grotto where Mother Mary she appeared to Saint Bernadette, and she delivered the message of love and healing. That was in 1858. And yeah, you can truly feel the sacredness of this place. Like, it's very calm. So we sat by the grotto, and then we went to light the candles, which is the other side. So you have to take this bridge and eating candles lailo. So after lighting the candle, we went to this place across the bridge. There you can see it's called the baths, like as in the baths in the healing water. They have stopped the immersions because of health and safety during COVID time, and now they have reopened it only to wash your face and hands. Amka baby hamon begin ospa porle nazal tinga line asta kitli orli आनी कृष्णा आनी पला तेंका दोगांयकूय थिंगा लायनी रावपा पडले आनी थिंगा फोटोय ओ व्हिडिओ बा तशें करून कांय काडपा अलावड ना. So by the time Pearl and Krishna tinga laini raवताल तेन्ना आमी बेगीन जेवपा येयलीं हिंगा and it was time for Harper's meal as well, so it was already late and yeah, we ordered food and then we got like a takeaway for them. This is what we ordered, just pizza and burger, and then there was a pizza for them. And yeah, look at Harper, she's so happy here. So after lunch we went to the house of Saint Bernadette where she was born. It's a very good experience if you're here. You can see like literally the room where she was born and all her personal artifacts and the family, how they used to stay. It tells a story of her life and faith, how she used to live at that time. And yeah, it's a very short distance from the grotto. So after seeing the place where she was born, we went to the place where she lived when they lost their house, and this is the line we followed. It's a blue line, it takes you there. And this building used to be like a small prison when they moved here, and this is the time when she saw the visions of Our Lady at the grotto. Yeah, it's a really small place where they used to live. She used to live with her parents and her siblings here. It's not a very big fancy place. Even though they were poor, they had very strong faith. Visitors from all around the globe come here to visit, and they can walk through the very rooms and feel connection to her story and the faith that guided her. It's really incredible. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, stay tuned for part 2, and share kindness and let love guide you. Bye bye.